The Salt Lake City Mosquito Abatement District is a publicly funded government agency that specializes in the surveillance and control of mosquitoes. Unfortunately, a lot of the general public associates mosquito control with a truck sprayer running down the road and conducting a spray application or an adulticide application. But the truth of the matter is that's really only about a 5% of our overall operations. The vast majority of operations concentrate on larval control, where the mosquitoes are confined to an aquatic habitat and they're not going anywhere. Science drives our day-to-day operations. Everything that we do is backed up by scientific data that helps determine what we need to do, where we need to do it, and how effective those control operations are. During the first years of our creation, most of our control operations were concentrating on the rural habitats of our district. And again, the reason being is because the mosquitoes that are produced in that habitat are going to be migrating miles on in and make their way eventually into the city. We have many inspectors that walk those habitats. They take their dippers, they collect larval samples, they determine the stage of development of those mosquitoes, what species they're dealing with, and as a result of that, they can make informed decisions about what products to use. In addition to that, we have a series of all-terrain vehicles, or ATVs. We have some sites that are too big to be treated on foot or by ATV. We also possess 2 tracked vehicles where we can dispense a couple of inspectors and make applications to these larger areas. Now, when the habitat seems to be too great for any of the previous 3 methods, we also contract with an aerial spray applicator. So we have the capability of sending in an airplane and making a larvicide application from the air. And of course, our last resort would be to conduct an adulticide application, either by air or through truck-mounted equipment.